Okay, we're going to be using our trenchless cast mortar system to restructure this underground ductwork. We're looking into the plenum box now. This is under the furnace. The metal was completely rotted away. We just ripped it out and we're going to rebuild all this with the concrete. We're actually going to hit all the metal connectors that are rusted out throughout the pipes too. See an elbow there, it's got heavy rusting on it. We'll coat that with mortar, restructure it, make it a nice strong pipe again, and we'll be spray lining it with our duct lining product. Okay, we finished the concrete portion of the air duct restoration. This is the plenum box. We got it all reconcreted and mortared. We did all the connectors and elbows. See, that elbow that was heavily rusted out is now coated with a layer of concrete. A few couplings going the other way. Get the concrete to dry up and we're going to spray it with our rubberized product. Seal the system off. Okay, we finished the cleaning and the concrete. We just finished up the first application of the rubberized lining duct armor. Looking down into the furnace box, the plenum.